Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Ford. Are the buyers eyeing $15? Will the market jump higher? Let's talk about it, because the last price prediction that I did in Ford, it didn't even play well for us. Like immediately after we did the price prediction in Ford right here back in July of this year, shoot, market just went straight down. Yeah. So the strength that we saw in Ford back here in mid-June and then in June right here, that was all the gas that the buyers had. Like we came on to the train, or we came on to the ride a little late. So yes, this price prediction that is on the chart right now did not play in our favor. Now let's get rid of that. And since price crashed back in July, we can get rid of these pockets of buying there. We can get rid of this buyer's pocket here, this pocket of buying there, this pocket of buying here, and we could hold this one. This is where the buyers ultimately said, look, the market in Ford from the high of July 18, 2024, they said a drop in price of 34%. The market is now at discount. Why would I say that? Because that's where price stopped going lower. So people's like, I'm buying Ford right there around $9.80. That's a 34% discount now. So let me come in and begin buying this stock. So here we are today. Will the market in Ford continue to go higher though? Short answer, possibly. The problem is here. This area right here in the Ford is going to be the problem. Okay, so if you're looking for the market in Ford to go higher, we need to see the buyers break this pocket of selling right there. Now look at this though. This is a very wide gap area right there. So we can only surmise, hey, we are not extremely bullish in Ford yet, even to the point to where the market in Ford hasn't even broken through this area for the most part. See that? Look at how many times price hit this price, or look how many times buyers hit this price and the market went down. It did it first here. Well, I'll say all the way back in July 26, it hit the price there, went down. Hit the price again in August, went down. Hit the price again in September, went down. Hit the price in October, went down. We're finally, like at the fifth time, hitting $11.25. Price finally is breaking out of that pocket of selling. This was a big seller right in this area. Whoever this person was, they did a fantastic job at suppressing the price, at not allowing it to break out. Now, maybe the buyers have actually gotten rid of that person. The guy's like, all right, cool. I sold all my bags of Ford stock. Now I'm out the way. So now the buyers are like, shoo, it took us a while to get him out the way, but now we can finally push price up in Ford. And just as the people are relieved who bought Ford stock, don't be too ecstatic, because the next pocket of selling is not that far away. Just saying. Now, let's look at Ford on the 2. Okay, because I do like the 2-day chart. I do like the fact that price did close above this pocket of selling. You can even see though in pre-market, we're right back down. Yeah, we're right back down. So we may not be absolutely finished in Ford of trading within this trading channel, because that's what's going on. The market is trading within the trading channel. So this is a pocket of buying right there. So we're going to create that as a buyer's pocket. And this may be one right here. I want to break that down at 330. Okay, right there. Now back to let's go to the 3. I like the 3 too. This whole area right here is telling me that someone is buying this stock up, and they're not in a hurry. But whenever we see emphasis of weakness, Whenever we see that, the idea would be, okay, cool, the market is still weak. We need to see price go lower. But it didn't. Look at it maintain this buyer's pocket right there. Then the market went up, right? Here it is on this 3-day price bar. This would tell us, all right, cool, the market's not ready to break out yet. But then we get the next 3 days and it goes up. So this market is determined. It looks like it's trying to be controlled by the buyers. Here it is on the 4. It looks bullish here too on the 4. Here it is on the 5. Still looks bullish. Like, to me, everything is pointing to 4 trying to go higher. Okay. Yeah, even look right there on this weekly chart. The market didn't go down on that weekly price bar. It came back up the next week. And we're still seeing the market trying to go higher. So I think 4 wants to go up. So let me go ahead and do that. Now, this is a point to where you can say, you can see buyers want to break this market up higher, but where are the sellers lurking, right? We might not see the price in 4 go extremely high at all. All because of all of the hits, all of the bruises that the buyers took at this seller's pocket at $11.30 to $11.35, $11.40. Like, we gotta say, yeah, this looks bullish. Yeah, the market wants to go up, but we may not go that high. So we may only see the market in 4 hit this seller's pocket around 1180 to 12. That will give us 5% at the high of that bar right there. Okay. And anything outside of that, look how big that gap is. I'm looking at this on the 17-minute chart, and there's no prices being made in that gap. So I don't know if we're able to break this pocket of $11.80 to 12. I don't know how high we can go. We can see it run back to $13.50, $14, but that's anyone's guess. Especially if the buyers really, really want it, they'll do it. But I don't know. So let's take it back to the daily chart. And let's just make it to what the stop loss will be at 1140. Okay. So that's it right there. Right now, like I said, we may not see the market go, just like on my last price prediction. The next day, next couple of days, price went extremely down. We could see that again in the market and forward, all because those buyers may have not gotten rid of those sellers. Okay, just give me a heads up. But that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.